Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll examine review questions 19 and 20. Let's begin with review question number 19. Joe is an accountant who has been served with a complaint from the Office of Professional Responsibility. Which of the following statements is not true of Joe's answer to the complaint? A. Joe's answer must be filed with the administrative law judge assigned to his case, and a copy of Joe's answer must be served on the Office of Professional Responsibility. B. If Joe is unable to file his answer within the time specified in the complaint, Joe may request an extension from the administrative law judge. C. Joe, in his written answer to the complaint, must provide only a general denial to the allegations in the complaint, and Joe should present the more specific and lengthy details of his denial at the hearing. Or D. If Joe does not deny or answer the allegations in the complaint, every allegation in the complaint will automatically be considered proved. The correct answer is C. General denials are not allowed. Joe must specifically admit or deny each allegation set forth in the complaint when he answers. Now finally, let's take a look at review question number 20. Which of the following is not a power held by an administrative law judge? A. The administrative law judge may permit oral arguments on any motion before the administrative law judge. B. The administrative law judge may grant extensions on deadlines for filing answers to complaints and motions. C. The administrative law judge may take depositions from involved parties. Or D. The administrative law judge may hold, or provide for the holding of, conferences for the settlement or simplification of issues with or without the consent of the parties involved. The correct answer is D. The administrative law judge may only hold or provide for the holding of conferences with the consent of all interested parties.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.